A long time ago, a little mouse was running through the forest. While running, he accidentally ran across a sleeping lion's paw. The lion woke up and was very angry. He caught the mouse and wanted to eat him. The little mouse begged, "Please don't eat me. If you let me go, I will help you one day." The lion laughed. "You are so small. How can you help me?" But the lion was kind and decided to let the mouse go. A few days later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. He tried to escape but couldn't. He roared loudly for help. The mouse heard him and came running. The mouse chewed the ropes of the net with his sharp teeth and set the lion free. The lion said, "Thank you, little friend. Now I know even small creatures can be a great help."